Sensor Security is a leading importer of security technology products, Hikvision being our flagship brand. We service various verticals from access control through to thermal technology, fire detection solutions, biometrics, amongst various other solutions. This is a purpose-built drone that is able to offer surveillance assistance in terms of predetermined flight paths. It's partially autonomous, so it takes a lot of workload away from the pilot. It's capable of carrying a thermal camera, which means that you could apply it to situations such as a anti-rhino, anti-poaching sort of facility. It gives people a wide ground coverage at a low cost compared to running of helicopters and other sort of resorts that people are accustomed to. One of the biggest aspects of Hikvision's technology. There are many camera manufacturers out there in the world today, but what we are really strong at is what we're able to offer behind the camera. And that is taking that image, processing it and applying analytics to that image. We're able to do various things from object removal to from people counting to watching if a person falls over into a position, there could be a problem. It's all based on algorithms, and there's a lot of custom aspects we can also add to that. Hikvision has got thousands of R&D engineers that are able to custom the software according to a client's tailored needs. So this is where we find ourselves becoming a lot more valuable than just a security provider, but actually a technology provider. We sell IP and analog cameras. Because of the IP aspect, we're able to apply a lot of analytics behind us. We're able to tell people how many people are entering their organization in a day. We are able to do heat map comparisons to show concentration of traffic. We're able to tell a client what the demographics are. In an agriculture environment, there's many aspects of farming where efficiencies could be measured on machinery and equipment, outputs, and we're able to tailor it. The great part about our product is that we have a vast amount of R&D engineers behind it, and it gives us the ability to tailor our solutions to the client's needs. Hikvision is widely available through our registered installers. We are strictly a distributor, but we assist on larger projects by making sure that the product is specified correctly, and we offer a lot of assistance in that regard. The drones are specifically applied. They obviously do require certain compliances such as pilot's licenses, but we are able to supply them via registered installers and assess your site's needs, and we can then advise accordingly.